So hello everyone, this is your Krishna from Women Today YouTube channel. So in this channel we have been interviewing many women entrepreneurs and also working women across different cities in India and also across different countries in the world. So today's our guest is from Delhi and her name is Riddhima Juneja and she is a very famous Vastu consultant. I welcome you Riddhima Juneja ma'am to this Women Today YouTube channel. So we have been discussing a lot about many kind of other kind of things that you are doing like numerology, tarot reader. So in this video, I'm going to ask a lot of questions regarding Vastu consultancy because you're basically a Vastu consultant and you're basically educating people how your building should be like if they have a house, in what manner the house should be constructed, if they're having a business building, the what manner it should be constructed. So everything not only for the business and not only for the house, even for our day-to-day life, like what to say, if you're going for marriage, if you're going for conceive, if you're going for any kind of addictions and lot more, it basically depends upon vastu. So tell us ma'am, what is the main thing, basic thing about Vastu? And first question is why people should come and visit a Vastu consultant even if they're having everything good in their life. Even if they're having anything good in their life, there must be some kind of small struggles. And if they come and visit a Vastu consultant like you, they'll be able to have some remedies. So tell us, the very first question is why should a client come and visit a Vastu consultant like you, ma'am?
Okay. So first of all, Krishnan, thank you so much for giving this opportunity, to get with the people, to get reach with the people so that I can explain you. Before I explain why you should, reach Vastu consultant, I first want to throw a light on that there is a myth about the Vastu, that if the people are, opting for Vastu consultant, that means they will do some toda fodi work only. They will, spoil our house. They will put, that things, or they will make the cuts. They will, turn the things and they will change the color. They will, ruin our interiors. It is not the case. See, why you will consult Vastu consultant? Because right now I am dealing, as I told you, I had dealt with 10,000 plus people, and even if I am right now in this profession only, just because of this reason, because I know that everyone is living their life. Okay, some are discussing their problems. Some people are not discussing their problems. But nowadays, I can't find even a single person who is not having a problem. Okay, everyone is having the problem, be it in their personal life, be it in their career, be it in, with the social politics, in anything. Okay, so they are suffering, or if everything is going perfect, then they are having the problem of the overthinking also. They are not able to let go the things off. So the Vastu can help you, specifically those people, who goes to the numerologist, who say their problem, and they say "Ki that I can't do anything. I can't do anything, boss. Whatever you want to do, you just let us know. Because if you can't do anything, numerology remedies work. But yes, they are slow and steady remedies. In the previous video also, I throw a light on that these are only the remedies. These are only the substitutes. We are not God. We cannot change the things, randomly. But yes, Vastu is the, you can say, the place where you live in. And it is all about the energies. Once you will make the shift in the energies, one you will, you can say, the cleanse the energies, the things will start working for you. For example, if I give you the example, like if one person who is running the business, who is saying that I am getting the opportunities, but I am not getting so many, big opportunities. I'm just, just a, you can say, a good businessman who is having some turnover, but I want a bulk orders. Because he was owning a printer who used to, publish the, you can say, the printing sheets over 1,000, 2,000 in one shot. They can give you, they have to give the command of 2,000 sheets, but they're getting the order of 500, 200 sheets. So 800 sheets का जो वो था वो उनका waste जाता था. So they said कि I want some bulk orders. What should I do? So said them to that firstly, where your printing press is. He said, he gave me the proper idea that here we are having it. I just give him a small remedy, that is at 0 degree. Okay, specifically, which specifically showing you a knot. North is not like that if it's comes from 0 to you can say 120 degree, it is not north. Exact north is 0 degree of your house. जहां पे 0 डिग्री आपके हाउस की आएगी, दैट इज एक्चुअली अ नॉर्थ. ठीक है. वेयर यू कैन से देर आर 32 45 देवताज ऑल्सो. ठीक है. एंड देयर द भल्लाट देवता इज सिचुएटेड. Okay, and when you will do the remedy for Bhallat Devta, okay, then they will help you in attracting the bulk orders. So what we have done is we have just you can say put you can say a small spotlight which is 24/7, वो चलेगी, and 0 watt का चलेगा, और एक येलो स्पॉटलाइट हमने एग्जैक्ट 0 डिग्री पे लगा दी. As a result, from next 15 days, he got a big order. This is only a small remedy we have suggested him. That you just have to light a spotlight or 0 degree exact of your north, okay? And then you have to open it for next, you can say 24/7. They done this and they get the orders. Of course, we have seen his house also. If there is not any imbalances, because I am telling you, I will not narrate you each and everything. Okay, I have just told you that whatever can be the best remedy for that particular thing. Like if you are also not getting the bulk orders, if you are getting the business really slow, then what you can do is you can put the spotlight at 0 degree north. But yes, how you will calculate, for that you need a Vastu consultant. For that you need a help of us, because obviously the person has said this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. No, these are only the directions. I am now talking about the zone, and the zone has been divided. 32 zones are there, and that has been divided, that has been decided by the degree of your house, the entrance degree. So whenever you have to buy a house also, or buy a commercial shop also, buy a factory also, the entrance will divide how the 32 direction will get segregated. And based on that, they are getting the results. So it is not only the directions which decide the things, it is the zone which decide the things. Maybe the direction is east, but in your house, it is coming as northeast. So the work of northeast and east is different. East is help you to get the more social connection. Northeast is for mental clarity. So every zone is having certain work to do. For example, if your mind is blocked, if you're not getting, good thoughts, if you're not getting a proper mental clarity, you're not able to make the decisions, you are not able to segregate the people, who is right, who is wrong. Many people are there who are saying that I am oftenly get involved with the wrong people. Still the age of 40, 45, I am not able to differentiate the people that who is a right one for me and who is a wrong one. So why the problem is coming? Because northeast zone is affected. In their northeast zone, there was a washroom. And northeast zone, if there is a washroom or there is a kitchen, it can lead to the chronic disease also. And I have discussed, is here in your family, someone has passed due to any, you can say, the mind related problem? He said, yes, my mother was passed away 2 years back because of northeast washroom. Many people are claiming that we can provide you the remedies in northeast, we can provide you the remedy of washrooms and kitchen. There are no remedies of 2 directions. In fact, 3 directions. One is Brahmsthan, the center of your house. If there is any pit hole, if there is any underground, a hole, okay, if there is any, you can say, because the Brahmsthan will be plain. There should be no wall also in between. It should be plain. यू माइट हैव सीन कि जो पहले जमाने के घर होते थे वो बिल्कुल वेड़ा जो होता था, बालकनी जो होते, जो मेन आपका फ्रंट एरिया होता था, दैट शुड बी प्लेन एंड देयर वाज अ डोम ओवर इट, सो दैट इट विल क्रिएट द एनर्जी ऑन इट. मंदिर में भी आप देखते हैं देयर इज अ डोम, दैट मीन्स द एनर्जी विल गेट collected at one point and they will throw the energy at one point. This is called as Brahmsthan, which is the place of Brahma, which segregate the energy in all the directions. If that Brahmsthan is affected, how you can expect their work will get? If in your Brahmsthan lift is coming up, many people are doing this blunder right now just to make the spaces in the houses, they are putting the lift in between, which is absolutely wrong. Specifically in the buildings, in the apartments, they are having the building in between. Okay, now what they are saying, what it will do, it will ruin their life. It will it will allow the people to come in the debt trap. They will get more and more liabilities because their center is disturbed. If your stomach is disturbed, will you be able, to live happy? No. It is just like a stomach of the Vastu Purush. Northeast is the brain of the Vastu Purush. If your brain is cut, will you be able to do any work? No. If there is a washroom, that means only negative thoughts will be there. So definitely you will not, get the proper mental clarity. Your mind will be blocked. You will not be able to make any decisions. You will not be able to analyze the thing. So Northeast is the Vastu Purush brain. What is Southwest? Southwest is the legs of the Vastu Purush. Southwest is the zone of Pitra zone. When it is affected, okay, when it is affected, that means the person will not be able to have a stability in their life. Southwest का कोई आपका रेमेडी नहीं है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट का रेमेडी नहीं है, सेंटर ब्रह्मस्थान का रेमेडी नहीं है. There are the remedies, but they are not the short remedies. Rest for every zone there are the remedies. If the Vastu is also good of their house, there can be the problem in their surroundings also. You might have seen that there are graveyard near to the, you can say, to the places. If there is a temple also near to the places, you know what the temple is doing it? They are creating the spiritual energies. The people of those people who are living, very near to the temple, within 1 kilometer radar. Okay, what they are how they behave, they either get spiritual, and if they are not getting spiritual, their mind will not be at rest. They will be somewhere, irritated and agitated. Some sort of frustration will be there in their minds because it's a spiritual energy which is going on. And when you will confuse the spiritual energy, what spiritual energies? It will say that leave everything. We will not believe in the materialistic world. We will believe only in God. We will only believe in, Nam Jap. And what is the materialistic world? That if you want to live, you have to earn. I need more money. And when these both energies clashes, what does it do? It will make the mind agitated. It will make the mind frustrated. And that's the reason why it is also not recommended that the temple should also be far away from the places. Even the hospitals, even the graveyard, even the water bodies also. If it's in the, you can say, if you're having the sea facing house, okay, everyone is saying that my house is sea facing, but it should be there, that it should be either in north or in east. Now I'm talking about the direction, not the zone. If you are having the water body in east and north, then it's fine. But if it's in, if you are having the front facing in south and west, I'm talking about the front facing. Okay, then it can create a problem because south and west always should be up. It is there for support, and north and east should be low. Okay, Vastu mein, if you are having the proper house also, we have made we have to check the level of the ground also. North say south tak, the north, it should be like this. You might have seen that the south area should be up and the north area of every house is on low level. North should be light, south should be heavy. Many people are there who are putting the, you can say, their drawing rooms and big, heavy furnitures in their north, which is not recommended. Which is not at all recommended. South, make it heavy. They open the balconies also because balconies, doors also, they also matters a lot. They are also acting as the entrance. One person is having the perfect Vastu, but they are having the balcony entrance in S6 zone. S6 zone is that zone which can, create a poverty, which create a, you can say, loan debts, which may, because S6 se leke, there are certain zones like S1 se leke S8 tak. There every zone, either it is north, east, south, and west. They are divided into 8 zones. Further 8 zones: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, SA N1, N2, N3, N4, SA W1, W2, W3, W4. तो ऐसे divided हैं 8 zones हर एक में. They are having the balcony in S zone, S6 zone, which is deadly. Every Vastu of the house is good, but only the entrance of the balcony is not good. What happened? They are inviting the poverty. They are not able to make the payments properly. As a result, their name, fame, reputation was spoiled. What I have done the remedy? Just close that door. Close that door. Window, you can open it. Window, it's not acting as an entrance. Close that door. Bas. This is the only simple remedy. Have I done any, you can say, tod phod in the house? No. I have just make them that close the door. Don't open it till it is required. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे we can make the small things also. If you talk about, चलिए, I'll give you the example, like if in a commercial shop, ठीक है, if in a commercial shop people are coming, ठीक है, but they are not buying your product, that means your NNW zone is affected. Why? Because they are not attracting with the products. And what zone will help you to attracting the things? NNW zone only. If you will place the if you will place your products in NNW zone, ठीक है, which is नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड नॉर्थ के बीच का जोन. नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड नॉर्थ के बीच के जोन को कहते हैं नॉर्थ नॉर्थ वेस्ट का जोन, विच इज द अट्रैक्शन जोन. इफ यू विल प्लेस योर कैटलॉग ऑल्सो इन दैट जोन, पीपल विल स्टार्ट बाइंग योर प्रोडक्ट, because that zone will help you, provided that there should not be any imbalance, because that is belongs to the water element. There should be not any red color in that. There should not be any yellow color in that. Otherwise, it will create a problem. Even if that zone, there is a rectangular thing also, that can also create a problem. Because what is the shape of water? Wavy. Okay, the shape of wavy. The metal is aluminium. If you will, if you have made any iron, iron rods also in NNW, it will affect the thing. Because iron is what? Earth element. Sorry, this is a space element. It will, create a problem. Okay? It will over expand the water zone, because space is the parent of the water. It will give a push to when the parent will come, it will give a push to the child. And if is any red color, copper wires are there, it will affect the zone, because fire and water are anti. If there is any green color is also, then also, but all we have to do is that we have to remove the colors. We have to remove that object, which is, either metal, either copper, either steel, either brass. Brass is okay, because brass is a common thing which you can introduce in all the zones. It is a neutral metal which you can introduce. Because if the person is confused, because many people are saying we have bought this elephants, we have bought this tortoise, to get the vastu in the form of vastu objects. तो क्या खरीदें? So brass would be recommended. Brass you can put it at any zone. It will not create any vastu dosh. So safer metal is this brass. So this is how the vastu works, and actually this works. Suppose you are saying that okay, my client is also getting attracted, but they are not purchasing it. ठीक है, attracted है, purchase भी कर रहा है, लेकिन मतलब they are not coming repeat, मतलब they are not making the payment. They are just okay, we are liking it, but we are not ready to make the payment for it. In that case, your money is stuck in. Which is the zone responsible for money? Southeast or south-southeast? If you are facing the problem of money blockage, if the person is not making the money to you, okay, if the person is taking the money and they're not returning it to you, your payments get stuck up, your payments get delayed, you are having a debt wrapped, all you have to check is southeast and south-southeast zone, because these two zones are there for the money. Of course, there are another zone also, we have to check the imbalances in other zone also, but majorly these two zones will play a role. And more precisely, if you ask me, the Devta also, this is Savita and Savitri. ऐसे दो zones हैं, वो Devtas responsible है. You can, if you you can say read this chart also. This is the Vastu. You can say this is the thing which we are using it. Here there are the 45 Devtas. Above that there are Rajas, Sattva, Tamas energies also, and above that there are the segregation of 16 zones also. So that is how, we divide the work on. So Vastu is a very interesting concept, but yes, of course, you need to hire only that Vastu consultant who is having the proper knowledge.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
And if they are saying that we are having the washroom in West zone, what will happen? The West zone is the zone of manifestation. It is a zone of your materialistic gains. In that zone, if there is a washroom, it will affect it. But whether we have to remove the washroom, no. Nowadays, technology is advanced. All we have to do is that we just have to make little two holes, that is about this much, with the help of drill, even if you are living in a rented house also. Okay, we have to put the Devta's oil or either the neutralizer. Neutralizer oil is there. We have to just, put the oil in that, and the Vastu dosh will be finished. So what, how much it will, take a moment. Just you have to make this much effort. That is, you have to use the drill. You have to call a mistri or labor, and then he will make this much hole, and then we have to put the neutralizer, and it will neutralize the Vastu dosha of this zone also. In fact, mirrors also plays a very important role, Krishna. North and east, it is recommended, but in south and west, I have seen big mirrors. It will create a problem because mirror is the water element. In south means fire. Fire में अगर आप water element, if you are introducing it, it will affecting this zone. West is space, and in space also, if you will allow the fire to come into, it will ruin it. So that's why in south and in west, long mirrors are not recommended. Either it is horizontal or either it is vertical. It is not at all recommended. All you have to do is that you have to remove this mirrors, long mirrors. You can say my history is there that, I am surrounded with many Vastu consultants. Okay? When I was not aware of this, okay, I met across one person. Whenever any person is having the problem that they're not able to conceive, they used to call that person. When I learn Vastu, I just ask one question: that have you put? Do you put only? Do you check only that zone? He said yes. That is the, you can say the the maximum worthy zone, which is called as Prajanya Devta. We have to check the NNE zone. NNE zone, अब अगर आप कि सूर्य कहां से उगता है, can you just let me know from where the sun rise, which direction?
I suppose it's east.
No.
Sun rises, like you're asking general knowledge question after
This
a
is
long
the
time.
normal phenomena we used to, read it, that the sun rises from east. But actually, जो sun बिल्कुल, when it is, starting, it is starting from ENE zone, east northeast, and then it will comes in east. So east northeast zone is the zone of, you can say who can create the energy. It is a fun and the recreation zone. If you will put a fertilizer in that zone also, na, and if you are trying to conceive, as soon as the plant grow, you will also get, good news that your baby is also conceiving. That much zone is affected. It is directly linked with the conceiving, east northeast. You have to check that zone, that there should be not any, you can say, any imbalances. For example, east northeast is also a air, this is also, you can say, what zone is there. This agar yahan pe koi fire element aa jayega, it will affect it. Even if you are introducing a geyser, because it's a fun zone. Happy go zone, east northeast, happy go zone. Okay? And if you are allowing the fire into it, it will ruin the the happiness of the family. Are you getting it? It will ruin the happiness. And how it will ruin the happiness? By not giving the chance, if anyone is trying to conceive it. So that is how the work. Even if you have put one, you can say, I have seen the Vastu is, so much impactful. I have read one case study. Okay, this is not my client personally. I have read, because obviously I used to read, a big case studies also, the people case studies. He said that there was only a toy in which there is only a gas burner lying in east northeast. Toy, only a toy stove was there, and it is creating a Vastu dosh. We just make a request that remove this toy, and in another 2 months she conceived. In fact, I told you my story also. I used to sleep in southwest zone, which is called as disposal zone. I tried for 2 years to conceive. I was not able to conceive it. Then someone suggested me, shift your bed. Okay? And then I make the shift. I take it towards the north, something north or north. I don't know which zone exactly was there. So I make it a opposite direction. And then in another 1 month or 45 days, I believe, I conceive. Why? Because I was going in disposal zone. I was conceiving, but it is not showing the positive. मतलब होता है when menstruation cycle stops, you feel that you have conceived. My menstruation cycle was disturbed, what it stopped in between, but I was not getting the positive news. I was not getting the positive result, and there was nothing was in my medical history. Nothing was there. Doctors used to say, stop taking stress. I was not taking the stress also. Of course, I was not feeling good, but yes, I was not taking too much stress. That will impact my, baby. But the zone was not fruitful for me, where I was, sleeping. It will ruin the relationship also, Vishnu. If you will sleep in that zone, which is disposal, how you can expect that your relation will work? We used to have fights. We used to have the arguments. But yes, of course, I am that type of a person. I'm number 6, so I'm very much soft. I will never shout. And if anyone is speaking to the loudest volume, I just keep my mouth mum. I prefer to be quiet rather than to give a uh, back energy. No, I was not that type of a person. But I was disturbed. Disturb तो मैं तब भी थी when I make a change in the bedroom. I make the change from southwest to north. You can say north में ही था exactly. लेकिन वो इतना heavy नहीं था. It was totally light. ठीक है, तो वहां पे उतना नहीं था, but मैंने conceive किया. But that is also not the zone, to keep the exact north में तो you should not keep the bed, because northeast will this affect your brain. It is not at all recommended zone to sleep. Too much staying in north zone is not good. Your living room is good. Your sitting table is good in north. You will fetch the opportunities, but not sleeping. If even if you're in if you're in bed in the north zone, then your head should be towards south and your legs should be towards north. Then you can sleep, provided घर का अगर नॉर्थ जोन है, बट डायरेक्शन वाइज इट शुड बी, योर हेड शुड बी टुवर्ड्स साउथ. तो यहाँ पे होता है. अब यहाँ पे एक और चीज लेते हैं, ग्रोथ. If some person is saying my business is running, but there is a stagnancy in that. Every year, every month, I used to climb at this point only. I want more. I want more. So of course, for more opportunities, you have to check 0 degree north, which I told you in earlier. And what else? Stagnancy is what? When you're not letting it, when you are not letting it go, when the things are in between, when you are not venting it out, which zone is responsible? W and W zone. That means between west and northwest, there is a zone which is called as W and W, which is a detoxification zone. Okay, so there was an imbalance in that. Though it is recommended for the washrooms, but there was an imbalance. What was the imbalance? W, not W. What is the element is space. Okay, space element is there, and in space they have introduced one geyser. And there is also you can say the some red color triangular वो था कुछ object type बने हुए थे, ऐसे triangles में ऐसे थे. I just said that remove this, because triangle is what? The fire. Copper is what? Fire. मेटल में आप लो जाओगे तो कॉपर होगा. शेप में आप जाओगे तो फायर की शेप है ट्राइंगल. कलर है तो रेड है. एलिमेंट है तो फायर है. तो वी हैव टू चेक ऑल दीज 4 थिंग्स. Metal should not be there. Then this shape should not be there. Then the red color is not be there. These 3 things needs to be checked if you want if you want to assure that this zone is balanced. I hope this might be very much informative for you, that whatever the things I have discussed it with you, I have covered all the concepts basically. Opportunity zone, I have discussed the stagnancy zone, I have discussed the conceiving zone, I have discussed the, you can say, the gains zone. Yes, of course, if you want to associate with the big people, which zone is...
Also tell us, ma'am, we have discussed a lot about kind of Vastu consultancy in various departments in various parts of our life. So most of people are having a lot of court cases. They are going to court for civil, for criminal, and for many reasons. So tell us, if you wanted to avoid all these kind of court cases in our life, so what kind of Vastu consultancies should we have from you, ma'am?
Okay. So firstly, there is a zone which is responsible for our supporting zone also. Okay, which is called as supporting zone. Be it in case of banks, be it in case of any sort of support. Okay, that zone is called as northwest support. Okay, which belongs to the moon element also. Okay, अगर हम उसका numerology में देखें, that will comes under the moon. That is the place of where the moon is located. And if we see in the, you can say according to the Vastu, this is basically the supporting zone. Okay, if you are facing any problem from the banks, for example, you are facing the problems in case of visa, if you are not getting the proper help from the banking, from from taking the loans, or you are having the problem related to the government related queries. Okay, what the best you can do is like court cases. If you are asking me court cases, what you can do is you can put that papers in the northwest zone. If that zone is balanced, automatically the help will come up to you through any source.
So you're
Through
telling
any
that,
source, the help
oh,
will come to you.
yeah, you're telling that if you do not get visa, we should keep the visa documents in the northwest direction.
Yes, visa papers, you can keep it. You can keep the, you can say the flag of that particular country also. You can keep your passports in that zone also. You
Northwest
can,
direction.
yes, your own passport, you can keep it in
No,
that
I'm asking in the
zone.
northwest direction.
Northwest zone only.
Yeah,
Northwest zone
okay.
on, I'm talking about, because that is called as the supporting zone. If you will face any imbalances, your visa, because one of my client was facing the problem, she was not getting the visa, okay, and what was the problem? Her zone was affected. So I told him that remove this imbalance and place that, you can say, the your passport in that particular zone, and she did that. And within for I think 20 days, she got the news that your visa got clear, and now
Which country? May
the
I know
tickets
which
were.
country, ma'am? Which
Sorry,
country? Which country she got visa?
they were going to Canada.
Canada, Toronto. Okay, I
Canada, from
understand.
Delhi to Canada.
Yeah,
Huh.
okay,
So
okay.
they want to plan, they were planning to move Canada, and they want to go to their sister place, but they were not getting the proper, the visa. That although the tickets was also booked, and she's saying that okay, Ridhima, if the ticket will, I have purchased the tickets also over lakhs rupees, and if this a visa I will not get it, my whole lakh rupees will will get spoiled, and my mood will also get spoiled, because I have made up my mind that I want to go Canada this year at any cost. So this is the small remedy I told her, that put your this passport in that zone, okay, and if possible, flag bhi laga lo. Paste a flag picture over there.
Just tell me, ma'am, you are just continuing about the kind of Vastu
Yeah, I
consultancy
can
in
complete
court
it.
cases, and we were also discussing how to get into a new country. So you just please continue it, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I was telling is that the importance of the Northwest Zone. What exactly, why in the Northwest Zone is so much important for you? Because it will help you to, to get the financial, to get any sort of help. Even if you're not getting the help of any person also, you can paste that picture of that particular person also, and you will start getting the help from that particular person. This zone is so much affected. Provided, again, I'm saying that provided that it should be balanced. If that zone is balanced, definitely you will get the help through that source. For now, let's come to the another cases also. This is what I'm talking about, the legal case or the money related cases. If you are having some sort of problems, if you are having the property disputes, okay, property disputes के लिए no doubt you can check the northwest. Along with that, you have to check the southwest zone also. Because why the southwest zone? Because southwest zone is the most important zone, and this is also called as Pitra zone. Okay, this zone is so much important, and whatever the ancestral property comes from, that comes from our ancestors only. And if that zone is impacted, okay, then definitely you will face the problem in getting the your ancestral property also. You might indulge in that property disputes if that zone is imbalanced. So that, and some persons are saying that I'm having the Pitra dosh. What is Pitra dosh? What is
Parent,
Pitra dosh? You
parent.
can rectify that.
Okay, tell me.
You face the problems in terms of stability. You are not getting the right opportunity, your name will get defamed. This is all the, you can say, the symptoms of the Pitru dosh only. You can correct this dosh also through your southwest zone. If you are having the Pitru dosh in your kundalina, definitely you will be residing in that zone in which the problem is there, will be there in the southwest zone. So the Pitra zone, the Pitra dosh can be rectified through southwest zone also. not only through remedy, but can be rectified through southwest zone, that is through Vastu also. That is why the Vastu is very important. No doubt, as I told you, the southwest is what? The legs of the Vastu Purush. If the legs is cut, do you think that the person will be able to stand? No. The person will not be able to stand. And they will having, if they're not having able to stand, they will be having the stability issues.
So all the
They will
property,
be having
you speaking about the visa, property documents, we should keep in the northwest direction, right?
northwest zone. And if there is any property related zone, then you should also check the southwest zone.
We should keep the
Property
property
related means
related in the
ancestral
southwest.
property. No. I'm saying that for getting the government help, for getting the court help, the government organization, your lawyer help, you can place that lawyer name in the northwest zone. Okay, you will get the help from lawyer, and then you have to check if this is a case of the property dispute. You have to check the southwest zone also. Some people are mistakenly southwest or southwest zone as same. No, they are not same. Southwest is entirely you can say the ancestral zone, Pitra zone, and southwest is the disposal zone. If you will put the picture of your Pitra also in the disposal zone, that is southwest zone, you will get the problem because you have where you have placed the picture in the disposal zone. You have placed the pictures of your ancestors in the disposal zone.
So
How you will get the help?
where exactly should we keep the ancestral photos, pictures hanging on the walls?
In the southwest zone only. There is only one zone which has been prescribed in the Vastu, that is the southwest zone, only
So
prescribed for
only
the
in the south,
ancestors.
yeah, only in the southwest we should keep our ancestral photos pinned on the wall, right?
Yes, pinned down the
Yeah.
wall and provided and there are certain things also that it should be in a golden frame.
Yeah, okay. And also at the same time, visa documents on the northwest, ancestral photos on the southwest, and the property documents in which
See, you are
direction?
confusing. You are confusing yourself. If you are getting depends on your problem. If you are getting the problem related to the visa, then Southwest Zone nothing to relate with. Nothing to relate with. It is only related with the support you want to from the you can say from the institution from that particular country that they will approve the visa. So you will place the that particular things. You can keep your passport. You can keep the flag of that particular country where you want to go in that particular zone. But if I'm saying that if the case related to the you can say your ancestral property, then apart from the northwest zone, what, because it's a court matter, it's a court matter. So court के लिए north west को तो हमने करना ही है. We have to put the Ashoka pillar in the you can say in the northwest zone so that you will get the justice. And what else zone you want to check it? You have to check the southwest zone also, because the thing which you are facing is not related only to with the government, with the brother side also, with the Pitr side also, so with the ancestors side also. So you have to check the ancestor zone also. So that is how you have to now check two zones instead of one zone. For example, if you are, you can say, if you have by mistakenly, you have kept your papers in the southwest zone. If you, the same way which you are, confusing. You said that Pitro ka zone hai. If I'll put the papers in the southwest zone, what will happen?
You're talking about which
The
paper, ma'am?
court papers only.
Court papers. Okay.
If you will put the court papers in the southwest zone, what will happen? The case will run long.
So all the documents, I mean, the visa documents,
All the
property
documents you
documents.
have to keep it in the northwest zone only, and only you have to check the southwest zone that whether there should not be any imbalances, so that you will get the support of the ancestors also.
Okay, so you are concluding that each and every documents, like our school documents, college documents, office documents, visa documents, property documents, every documents.
If you want a no, not any time. Obviously, if you have to, if you are good, if you want to go good in the education, which the zone is responsible for the education. For education, the zone is west southwest. For savings, the zone is west southwest. For getting the good job, if you want to get, if you want to make a profit or gains, the west zone is the gains. Okay, so if you want to make the profit from your CV, from your resume, you can keep it in the west zone, because that will give you the gain, that will help you in getting the this job opportunity. So this is how the working should be different, but yes, the zones are very important. Northwest is only for the banking support, for the visa support, for the, you can say, the court matter support, where justice will be served to you. And if you want a materialistic benefit, you should refer west zone. ठीक है. If you have any money related issue, you should refer the southeast zone. If you have a name fame issue, you should check the you can say either south or southwest zone. अगर पितरों से related है तो southwest zone. अगर if you want to associate it with the big organizations, you want a you want to sit daily on a daily basis with the big clients, big tycoons, you have to check your south zone. Why only south zone is so famous? Why it is so wealthy?
I really don't know.
In India also, south is so, you can say, so rich. North is not so rich. In Delhi also, if where I am sitting, south is the most counted in a posh area. West is for commercial area. That is for making benefits. If you want to more money, if you want to make more money, where you will
Basically,
if,
yeah,
where
southern
everyone
part.
is suggesting you go in Mumbai West zone. If you want a good results, you want to make a good property, which is a posh ilaka of Delhi, where south zone only. So that if you want to make a good connections, what zone you should refer? You should check east zone. So this is how the zone are divided, and they will allow you to help it. For example, if there is a problem related to money issue, apart from the northwest zone, so that you will get this you will get the justice, you have to check the southeast zone also, so that you will get the money back from them. When you will file a case against the person, when he is not returning your money, you need a justice, you will go to the, you will keep the papers in northwest zone, and to get your money back, which zone you will refer? Southeast zone. That there should not be any problem in the southeast zone, you will get the flow of the money back.
So you are telling that if you want to get the money back from our borrower, then we should keep that document in the southeast
If
direction.
there is a court issue, then those zones, two zones will be there, northwest and southeast. If you want a money without filing any case, check the southeast zone.
So you're telling that without going to the court, if we want our money back, we should keep the document in the southeast direction.
No, not in the documents in the southeast zone. You should check your southeast zone, that there should not be any imbalance. If there is any blue black color in that particular zone, that means you are inviting water in the fire. If you will put the water in the fire, what it will do? It
No,
will
you're telling that
extinguish the fire.
no, you are just telling that in the southeast direction, what we should look for?
We should look for the imbalances. That there should not be any anti color. There should not be any anti object which will disturb that particular zone.
Okay, what are the objects and what are the colors should not be there?
This is what I'm saying now, that southeast color is the southeast is the fire zone. If you will invite any blue black color in that zone, if you will put any wavy painting in that zone, if you will put any, you can say, even in fact the green color is also, you can say, not a green color, but you can say the yellow color. Yellow color is also that color which will spoil. Again my video is stuck.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so yellow color is also that zone which obstruct the fire zone. And in fact white color, space element, either the silverish color will also impact this zone. So this is how you have to check the imbalances. There should not be any imbalance, there should not be any anti color. Specifically fire zone mein we need to check blue or black, there should not be color. Otherwise that zone will be disturbed, and fire jab tak kehte na, that till the time the fire will burn, you will get the continuity. If you will extinguish the fire, the continuity will stop, your payment will stuck, your life will stuck, people will stuck, they will not give your money back. So in order to light the candle, or in order to light the fire in your element, it is very much important that the southeast zone should be balanced. Got it now?
Yeah, now got it.
Okay, so now as I told you that if you are having the problems with the in-laws also, which zone is responsible? East, south, east. East, south, east, you need to check it, that there should not be any imbalance in the east, south, east. Because if you are having the imbalance in east, south, east, you can face the problem from your in-laws. क्योंकि ईस्ट साउथ ईस्ट क्या होता है? चर्निंग का जोन होता है, मंथन का जोन होता है, ठीक है, एनालिसिस का जोन होता है. यू विल फील दैट माई इन लॉज विल नॉट, यू विल ओवर थिंक, यू विल नॉट एबल टू लेट गो द थिंग्स, यू विल मेक अ इशू फ्रॉम द स्मॉल थिंग्स. एज अ रिजल्ट योर लाइफ विद योर इन लॉज विल गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड. ठीक है, सो इफ यू वांट अ प्रॉपर हेल्दी रिलेशन विद योर इन लॉज, चेक ईस्ट साउथ ईस्ट जोन ऑफ योर हाउस ऑल्सो. And if there is any issue, court case related to the, you can say that matter, check your east southeast zone so that you can get the support of your in-laws plus northwest zone. You can keep the papers.
I do accept.
So we have to take care of two zones of for every problem. Not only by keeping, because obviously we have kept the papers in the northwest, we will get the support of the court, but we have to resolve the matter with the in-laws also, no? For that, which zone is responsible? East southeast. So we have to remove the imbalances of in the east southeast also, so that we will get the support, we will get the healthy relation with the in-laws. East southeast is which zone? Let go zone. It is a zone of anxiety. It is a zone of churning. It is a zone of analysis. Though this is a zone where you can have the washroom also, but there are certain limit in which you can, that zone covers 20 degree. ठीक है, 20 degrees होते हैं उसमें, तो 10 degrees तक washroom is allowed. Another 10 degrees में there is a devta. If you will place the washroom in that particular place, specifically washroom में मेरा मतलब किससे है? Pot seat से. The pot seat should not be there in that particular zone.
Understood.
If that will be in that thing, then you can have the vastu dosh. If you're having the overall washroom, but in that particular zone which I'm talking about, suppose in the west zone, you're having the washroom, but there are two zones which is coming in your washrooms, W and W and W. ठीक है, सपोज दीज टू जोन्स आर कमिंग अप इन तो W एंड W में वॉशरूम्स अलाउड है. वेस्ट जोन में अगर आपका प्रॉपर वॉशरूम दो जोन्स में आ रहा है तो W एंड W में यू कैन कीप द पॉट सीट. वेस्ट जोन में वॉशरूम आ रहा है, इट विल नॉट क्रिएट अ वास्तु दोष. इट विल नॉट क्रिएट अ वास्तु दोष टिल द टाइम योर पॉट सीट विल नॉट बी देयर. ठीक है, सो दैट इज हाउ दिस वास्तु वर्क्स. We have to check the imbalances also, plus we have to establish our zone also. We have to keep some remedies also through. For example, if this zone is cut, can I repeat?
No, it's okay. No need to worry. You can just continue. No need to worry.
If that zone is cut, if that zone is extended, then what we can do? We can introduce the helix also. For every metal, there are certain helix, 3, 6, 9 helix we can place on that particular zone to increase the aura of that particular zone. So this is how it is not necessary that we should, break the wall only, we should make the cuttings only. No, Vastu is not about that. Vastu is just like to balance the energy of the house. Till the time you're not facing any problem, no need to touch any Vastu thing. But when you are facing any problem, then you should consult a Vastu consultant.
So I do accept there is a lot of things which we can actually make things different by not actually destroying the properties. There are a lot of things in Vastu consultancy where we can actually make some changes without damaging the original property. Because most of people will be worrying about, okay, if we go and visit a Vastu consultant, they'll be telling like, don't keep here, don't keep there. We already have constructed the building. This building is more than 20 years. I'm also living in a flat. I can't go to my owner and I can't go to my fellow neighbors and ask them whether we should eradicate this. It's totally like they won't accept it because it's like a property which is with this shared by many other people. So as you told that, okay, if you want to make some kind of changes in the Vastu, we can actually change without destroying the original room or anything like that. You have given
till the time it is very much required, we will not disturb the premises of the house, because we can also understand that you have put a lot of money, and we will always try our level best कि कम breakage में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा we can give you the results. कम से कम, minimum to minimum breakage में we can give you the maximum results. Because obviously one hole, if it is required to be made, then for that it will be this much. It will not destruct your property. It will not, make your property dull. Because when you will get the results, you will say thanks to us only.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes. Because
in fact, I must say, Krishna, was the one case in which the one mother called me and she said that my child is so much addicted towards the TV. That is the addiction case I used to come. I don't know what should I say to him. I said so many times, stop watching TV, but he's so much addicted with it. You know why?
Why?
Because when I told you the attraction zone, not
the TV in the attraction zone, so that's why the boy is watching.
Yes.
So
Yes.
if there is not any TV
If
in
your
that,
TV is in the disposal zone also, now you will see only that things which will be useless.
yeah, I'm asking if the TV is in that attraction direction, if you remove the TV and if you keep books over there, then the student will be studying because we have kept the books
Yes.
over there. That's what you're trying to
Yes.
tell. So
Yes.
which
Yes.
direction exactly is this attraction direction, ma'am?
NNW zone. And the starting only I told you that if you want to sell your products also, if you want that your product should be, you can say the people should take a notice of it. You should keep a catalog of that your products also. In the salon, we always used to say that keep the northwest zone reserved for your products, so that the people will see and they will get attracted and they will buy your
So
products.
northwest is the best place where we should keep our products, where we should keep the books, where we should keep anything so that we will be
From
attracted
where you
towards
want
it.
to attract it to. From where
Yeah.
you want to attract it to. And plus that case was not only with NNW zone only. That was the zone. There are the two TVs in that zone. Okay, two TVs थे वहाँ पे, and there one was lying in northwest zone, and the another was lying in northwest zone. That means he is getting the support also from the TV, and he was getting the addiction also from the TV. I said that remove the, मतलब either remove the TV or put a strip beyond your TV so that it will block the energy of that particular place. And they will put a thick tape behind the TV, and that I from that I have created block the energies. Of course, taping is not the sure shot solution, but yes, of course, 50% his TV addiction was reduced. She said, okay, now it's up to the limit I can allow my child. Of course, she can't, because obviously that was a joint family and she was having that problem that Ridhima, I can't make the changes every time on my own because my whole family is there. So she said ki, that what the best remedy I can do is that I can apply the taping. With taping only, she will get the 50% result. Only with taping behind the TV, not in fact in front of the TV also, just to block the energies of that particular zone. So this is how the work we will do. In fact, you can keep the liquor. You can sometimes when the person are addicted towards the liquor also, no, like drugs, liquor. Check your this zone. Two zones I'm telling you. Firstly is NNW zone. Okay, that is the attraction zone, and the another zone is WNW zone. WNW zone means west northwest zone. Though it's look like similar, but they are having the different. WNW which zone is their detoxification zone. He is not able to let go, and when he is not able to vent out the things out, what he is doing, he is going into the depression, and with depression he was taking the liquor. So this is how these both elements, these both zones, we have to check it so that we can take him out from that particular liquor addiction zone also, liquor addiction habit also. Just by making a small shift, you can save your child life also, who is addicted towards drugs, who is addicted towards liquor. And I have saved one person through Dowser. I have, of course, that is a different strategy. I would say right now through Dowser, I have found the name of a girl also. Her name was Priya. That was obstructing him. I asked the parents, who is Priya? That was to her ex-girlfriend. I said, has she said anything to him? He said, yeah. They said yes. He criticized him that you are not able to do that. And what exactly obstructing him, that he was not able to prove his point. He was not able to, he was having the problem in the southwest. Why the problem in the southwest? They are having the washroom in the southwest. And to most good surprise, they were making a new house in that particular zone only where I am living. They have shown me the map
Blueprint.
also. And what the blunder they are making it, they
Southwest.
were making a lift in the southwest zone. It's a gadda.
Oh.
Of course, if you will place a lift, you will cut that zone. If that zone is cut, then definitely your problem will not be solved. So Vastu dosh is not here only, which can be rectified on their own. They will travel from one house to another house also till the time you will not rectify it. They will not leave you. See, from that house to this house also, they were having the same issues, southwest zone affected. In that zone, they are having the washroom. In that zone, they are making the lift. I recommend them that take the different side, because that was a building which was made by the two builders. On one side, they are having on one side the building belongs to my this my client, and then the another side there was another client. मतलब वो मेरा client नहीं था, that was another party, which I don't know. ठीक है, so I suggested him to take the flat on this side. एंड दैट रेक्टिफाइड, मैंने उनको यही बोला जितना जल्दी हो सके इस घर को खाली करो, because old house they need to leave it, because southwest zone if there is a washroom there is no remedy for that.
Do
But yes,
understand.
of course, W and W zone, I have rectified it. I have checked the imbalances. I found whatever the imbalance I found it, I remove it. And whatever the best thing I can do it for them, I have given the some remedies also. That I can't disclose here, but yes, of course, I have given some remedies to them. So he should recover from that particular zone. So yes, of course, we have to make the combinations that if the person is facing the problem, that this problem is related with this zone, and all we have to check that zone, particular zone, and the Vastu problem will be solved. As I told you, if you are having the problem with money related problem, you have to check the southeast. Plus, you have to check if you are not able to save the money, you have to check the this west zone, because you're not able to get the gains. So we have to check the zones according to your problems, and that's why I'm telling you, till the time you're not having problem, don't touch it. Don't take the help of, don't involve any outside person. In fact, this I used to say in your kundli also, till the time you're not facing any problem, don't show your kundli to anyone, because the moment you will show, they will put something in your mind. When everything is okay, don't put it. But when you start facing the problem, you should consult at that very much point of time, because till the time you will make up your mind, maybe the train will leave the station.
Exactly, I
The
do
moment
understand.
you will start facing the problem, you should consult someone with whom you can trust, because you are giving your own property, you are giving your own darohar to someone to take care of. That is a big responsibility, which everyone may be not understanding it. They're just using it for only for making money purpose.
Yeah, exactly, I do understand. I do understand. So yeah, ma'am, we have spoken a lot about many issues, money issues, land
There
issues,
are many things. There are many things. Now we
property
will discuss
documents.
about the marriage. We can discuss about the health. We can discuss anything, through Vastu. Every problem is having the solution through Vastu.
Yeah, do accept, ma'am. For today's video, we have covered a lot regarding how to get visa, how to get your money back, how to get rid of any kind of addictions, how to have a good relationship, and how to make your kid steady, how to make him avoid the distraction from TV and whatnot.
Of course, this
How to get
commercial shops, how you can attract the
yeah.
people, how you can check more money, how you can get more opportunities. Everything I have tried my level best to explain you in bits so that you can understand the importance of Vastu. You can consult me also if you want it. You can drop my number once you
Yeah.
will post
So
these
people who
things.
are watching this interview, I'll mention Ridhima Juneja number over here. I'll mention her Instagram link. So whoever wanted to have some consultancy regarding Vastu, regarding the money problems, regarding the addiction problems, regarding if they want the business to grow higher, to increase the revenue in sales, in order to avoid any kind of dispute in court, legal kind of proceedings, in order to have any kind of civil cases, any kind of cases, in order to make yourself flourish in your household, make good relationship, make your kids steady, whatnot. There are a lot of things which you can kind of change a little bit, not to destroy the whole property, but you can change it a little bit without even destroying, without even teaching the property. So there are a lot of solutions which you can get by just going and consulting Riddhima Juneja ma'am. She is in Delhi right now, and I'll mention her Instagram link. Whoever wanted to have an offline session can just contact her, and whoever wanted to have an online session, they both can contact her and get some consultants over here. So this is your Krishna signing off this Women Today YouTube channel. Today's our guest is from Delhi. Her name is Ridhima Juneja, a famous Vastu consultant. So thank you once again, ma'am, for coming and join this Women Today YouTube channel.
Thank you so much, Kushnu. From my
So
side,
good evening. Have a nice day,
thanks
ma'am.
to you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Same.
So